Hi, what's up YouTube? In today's video, I just want to bring you a quick little update on the kitchen. I know a lot of you have been asking about how the crown molding has been doing since I installed it. So as you can see here, I haven't had any issues at all with any separation, any corners, or anything like that. I thought I was gonna have to at least touch up one corner with some caulking, but as you can see there, the seams are really nice and clean. I'll try to go around the whole kitchen area there. And like I said before in my previous video, if you want to check out the original video on this crown molding setup, just check out the link down in the description below. This was actually the most difficult section right over here, trying to go around that vent and around the pantry. But as you can see there, no separation, everything's nice and clean. It actually doesn't even collect any dust. I tried to wipe it off last month and I didn't see any kind of dust or dander I need to wipe off, so it's pretty much maintenance free, and it was really easy to install. The fact that being foam is very lightweight. But that's the 360 update on the crown molding, and I believe the company's name is called Nomastyl. So I highly recommend this stuff because it's really easy to work with. It's very forgiving, lightweight. I did this whole project right here all by myself. And the only reason why I could do it by myself is because it's that lightweight and easy to work with. And I actually used a miter box, a manual one, to actually cut it. And then the most difficult section in this kitchen was not the long runs. It was these corners right over here going over this hood vent and then going into this pantry area over here. But other than that, if you have a bedroom and you just have some straight runs, this would be really easy to tackle in just a few hours of time. And all you do basically is you have different options. You can actually mount it with double back taping, or you can use caulking. I've seen people use super glue. Got lots of options, and you can even use all-purpose compound or plaster. So in addition to the crown molding update that I have for you all, I also want to let you know that I did do some cabinet painting. So the whole cabinets in here were all two-tone. It was like a stained black and a tan looking color. So this is actually a cognac brown. I got the color from a sample of a cabinet from Home Depot. I had to match that sample and 1 gallon of marquee paint. And as you can see here, I was able to paint this whole thing and have leftover after doing 2 coats. So here's a marquee paint that I used. It's 1 gallon and I still have a nice amount in there, probably about that much left after painting everything. And if you want this exact color that I used in this video, you can just show this to someone at Lowe's or Home Depot and you'll be able to get the exact same color here when you want to match the paint at your store. For the crown molding, I used a deep base Bare Premium Plus interior semi-gloss enamel paint for up over here. And then again, this marquee paint, I had to match to do a cognac color, and that is what you see here on the cabinets. Some other materials that I used was the foam board. This stuff right here is what you see all on top of the crown molding there. It's not actually wood, it's actually a foam. As you can see here, very lightweight. And then for the crown molding on the cabinets, it is actually wood. This is a piece of it right here. And as you can see, once you mount it up, you do have to paint it. It looks just like this. This is what it looks like from the side. And that's what it looks like up close. And then for all the joints and the sides, I use this white caulking right here. And you can actually use this in all the corners and on the tops and bottoms and every little areas that you need to fill in gaps. And then this was the miter box that I did everything by hand to cut all the corners for the crown molding, which was wood and foam. And some other stuff that I did too was I installed the hardware so you can push and pull the drawers, install them over there as well. and down below. And I also installed a under the cabinet stainless steel paper towel holder. I have this, I just did this I think 2 weeks ago. It's a glassware stem rack. And I also installed a light right here for it. I also changed out the light fixtures in the ceiling, over the sink, and in the middle of the kitchen. And these are LED, so you'll never have to change out any bulbs. I also installed a stainless steel encasement around the hood vent for the microwave. I also got a whole bunch of different stainless steel appliances. So I got this Whirlpool microwave. This is a Samsung dishwasher. I changed out the fixtures here for the faucet, added a soap dispenser, and I also bought a water warmer and a stainless steel toaster. And to finish it off, I also purchased a nice stainless steel trash can. All these products that I have in this video here, I'll leave these in the description below of my video so you can check those out for the best deals. Well, that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed my quick little update on my kitchen upgrades. If you have any questions, just leave them down in the comment section below. But please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. And as always, thank you all for watching.